This is another rear bumper, and we're gonna just show you, you know, what we would recommend to a car like this. These are same bumpers. All of the brackets goes out to get powder coated, stripped, powder coated, to avoid the eating up of the part that'll continue to happen over time. This is like level 1, you know what I'm saying? Strip it, get it powder coated, go back on clean. Level 2 and 3 is somebody who said they want a powder, gold plated or chrome plated. It really can get freaky with these pieces here. You know, a lot of time and energy that you can put in these. I really like how this looks. Front bumper, both of them done, ready for the bracket. So we're gonna see if we can get some new bolts for it to where it'll look good and polish it up and it'll be ready to assemble. So coming close, stay tuned, man. Side of a rear bumper, you don't necessarily see the rust and all of the things that's happened on the back side of it. You know, this is what's actually attached to your car, so any kind of grime or dirt is going to be kicked up
and accumulate.
Exactly. See, here on the outside, when you get a car wash, you're going to wash it. You know, the little dust stuff like this, we'll wash all this stuff off. So the only way you actually can get access to something like this is if you take it off of the car. You know, and a lot of people know, 99% of the people not doing all of that. And I'm not gonna blame it on the shop, because we never know if the customer probably was on a budget, you know, hey man, don't worry about that, man, just put it back on, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna clean this, get all of the surface rust on that we can, stripping it, and then we'll treat it and strip it again. You know, all of these independent pieces will come off. They'll go out and get stripped and powder coated. So powder coat, powder coat, powder coat. All of the powder coat pieces, processes, you know, the bumper supports that go behind the bumper, the brackets, everything that bolts onto it, such as so here you can see these are original bumper brackets. That's original. Got all of the grime that, like Mr. Stan said, have accumulated over time. You know, these are the same exact pieces that once it goes out, you know, get it powder coated, they'll look dusty. And then now when you put them on with the bolts and everything, it'll be a, you know, a better quality and longer lasting product. That's not, because if you don't, what happens is that surface wear is going to keep going to this what we saw here. It's going to eat all the way through. So don't think that, hey man, why they doing all this like extra stuff? No, this is what happens if you allow it to, what Mr. Stanley, our word for today, guys, accumulate. And so obviously we have to strip everything, you know, take all of the, you know, marker lights, your tag lights, your bare, your brackets, all of that, because there's a 3 or 4 stage process. All of the brackets goes out to get powder coated, stripped, powder coated, to avoid the eating up of the part that'll continue to happen over time from accumulation. Okay, so we stripped it, and then sometimes when that surface rust gets real deep, we'll put a, you know, a acid prep on it where to kind of turn that rust into a sandable primer, and then we'll sand it all off, and that'll really get it clean, and then we'll come back and prime protect the piece. So this one is ready for reassembly. I really like how this looks. Front bumper, both of them done, ready for the bracket. So we're gonna see if we can get some new bolts for it to where it'll look good and polish it up and it'll be ready to assemble. So
Hurry. New piece, baby.